Let's talk about affiliate marketing for beginners in 2022, and we'll skip the hype. Really, you need a few things. Number one, you need a traffic source, which is typically the hardest when you're first getting started. Number two, you need a place to capture emails, and we'll get to that. And you need an offer, which is the easiest thing to get. And what's really a challenge is expectations. You see all these videos where all of these gurus promise $100 a day. You're going to get $10,000 a month right now. I think the other thing you really need to do is have the right expectations. Can you make great money in affiliate marketing? Absolutely. And I'm going to show you exactly how I do that. Number one is traffic, and that's usually the most difficult thing to get when you're first getting started. And there's really two places that I suggest you start, and I would pick one. Number one, and you've probably heard it over and over, is TikTok. And one of the reasons it's the fastest growing social media platform, and right now it's allowing creators to grow quickly. There's another place that's also allowing that, and that's YouTube with YouTube Shorts. You can generate a following quickly, producing YouTube Shorts. Both of those are a great way to build an audience. And what you really want to do, and you've heard this over and over, I'm sure, is pick a niche. And that's so important. And the reason for that is the algorithms look at what type of videos you're producing, and they want to make sure and get those videos to the right audience. And if you're producing the same types of videos over and over, then they know the exact audience that they need to show them to. So pick one traffic source. For me, I suggest that you do TikTok. Down below, I'll have a link in the description. I offer a free checklist, and you can get started and create what I call a creator account on TikTok and be up and running in no time. And it's really one of those platforms where you can have 0 followers and put out the right video and have a million views overnight. And I haven't seen anywhere else where that's possible. And I'm living proof that that can happen. So once you have a traffic source and you're producing content that is helpful, that solves a problem, that really helps your audience, the next step in the process is to have a free offer. And one of mine, for instance, here is the 7-step TikTok checklist. And basically what I'm doing here is giving a free checklist that shows people how to set up their TikTok account in the right way and how to get more followers, everything from hashtags to the right type of music to pick. And this is something that I offer them absolutely free, and it adds more value. And once again, I want to collect their email address so that I can build a relationship, because at the end of the day, we want to build relationships. We all buy from people that we know, like, and trust, and the best way to do that is, to continue that communication. Once they sign up for that free checklist, it goes to this thank you page, and I just let them know that the checklist is on the way. And then, by the way, if they're interested in a bonus training here, if they click on that, then they go to a training that I offer that is a TikTok masterclass. Now, for you, at this point, just getting started, you would have this button right here would then send them to any affiliate offer. And that is basically the process for affiliate marketing for beginners. It doesn't have to be any more complicated than that. And the company that I recommend that you use for getting started is ClickFunnels. They offer a 14-day free trial. Once again, I'll leave a link below this so that you can have access to that 14-day free trial. I mentioned earlier the easiest part is where to get the offers. You can go to places such as ClickBank, Commission Junction, JVZoo, and it really varies by niche. If you just go to Google and type in your niche and then affiliate programs, you're going to find a ton of them. A lot of people will start out with like an Amazon Associates program. I don't recommend that simply because the commissions are too low. I recommend that you're promoting offers that are going to drive commissions of at least $50 per sale. If you're selling something, for Amazon Associates and it pays 1 to 3%, and you're making $2 to $3, you have to drive way too much traffic to make it worth your time. So I would avoid that. Don't make that beginner mistake of jumping right in and promoting Amazon associates. Okay, the last thing I want to talk about is expectations. This is the part that I think so many people have trouble with. And the reason for that is the low barrier to entry, right? Anybody can start affiliate marketing. And what you see, especially on YouTube and TikTok, social media, people will get a link and then they'll spam that link. They'll spam it all over in comments and they'll believe that they're going to make thousands of dollars a month. Don't spam links. It doesn't work. It's not a good business model. It's not a long-term business model. All you do is make people mad. But I'll tell you, it's a low barrier to entry. It's easy to get started. But in order to make this a real business and make it work long term, you have to have the right expectations. I will tell you, you can start making money fairly quickly, and it depends how much effort you put into it. However, just so you know, the average content creator on YouTube takes approximately 26 months before they're able to go from zero to full time. That's over 2 years. So, can you do it quicker? Absolutely. I am able to make a very good income within my first year. And I think I was fairly fortunate on TikTok to grow to almost 1 million followers in under a year. But I will tell you that I have had consistent effort and working many, many 12-hour days doing this full time for almost a year now in order to create a full-time income. But it's going to take a lot of hard work. It's not going to be easy. It's not going to happen overnight. You have to get the skills. You have to get the experience. You're going to learn. You're going to fail. I don't like to think of it as failure. I like to think of it as learning. So, hey, get started and leave a comment down below. Let me know if there's any questions that you have. I'm happy to answer them. But make 2022 the best year for your affiliate marketing business. And if you like this video, I'd love it if you hit that subscribe button and also give me a thumbs up. Make it a great day, and thanks for watching.